I've made nearly $100,000 just trading Robinhood meme coins in the past couple weeks. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but guys, what's even crazier is just how early you are to a lot of these plays. Robinhood Chain has never had a bull run before. It's the first time that we are getting out of this bear market, going into a bull cycle. So, a lot of these plays that I'm up on are going to be worth potentially into the millions of dollars. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why Robinhood Chain is the one that is going to retire a lot of people, and you guys genuinely need to lock in. We're going to be covering some of my favorite plays in the Robinhood Chain. And with that being said, guys, let's just get into today's video. If you stay until the end and you like what you see, consider hitting the subscribe button. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into it. Now, the biggest thing we want to look at is the overall crypto market. How is it holding up? And right now you can see that we are in extreme greed levels. So be very, very cautious with that, right? When you're navigating that, guys, you need to understand that, guys, when we get to one side of the pendulum, it usually moves back. So that has me a little bit worried. The fact that we're at extreme greed levels, right? And as we start to go up to towards the greed side, expect a pullback to come. Now, we are about 260 days from or since we had the peak of the bull run. So we're getting very close to where I think the bottom is going to come. If the bottom is already in, then hey, great. All that means is that a lot of these Robinhood meme coins that we've been taking a look at are only going to pump higher and higher from here. Let's just take a look, guys. Robinhood. Now, the reason this is very exciting is because Robinhood in the US, at least, which is obviously the powerhouse of the world, is a very common household name. Robinhood, I would argue, and I think I would be right, I think a lot of people would agree that Robinhood is a much more of a prevalent name than Coinbase is. Now, Coinbase and the Base ecosystem in the last couple days kind of shat the bed. It kind of pooped the bed a little bit. And Robinhood is there picking up the pieces and they're doing things the way that really and truly Coinbase should have been doing it. Now, Coinbase could redeem itself. We'd love to see that. Let's see if it happens. But there are quite a few projects right now that are on the Robinhood chain that have been making people a lot of money. Now, I wish I could go over the exact testimonials available inside of my Discord, but one of my members turned a $3,000 investment just in the last couple of days to almost 17K. Well, actually, it was 17K. 17,000 US dollars just within a couple days. We've had multiple 10x's, we've had some 4x's, 2x's, all done inside of this, guys, this group. If you want to be a part of it, click the link down below and I will see you inside. And that is the way to make the gains, guys. It's to be a part of a community, whether that's my one, whether that's literally anyone's. But this one right here, Good in the Hood, you've obviously heard me talking about this, and for good reason, okay? I think the minimum that this goes to, the minimum is a $20 million market cap short term. That's the minimum. But in the long term, right? I'm talking about months, potentially even, next year. I could see Good in the Hood, guys, sub 500 million. I can see this thing just under $1 billion market cap. That is easily possible just because the team behind it, these guys are all people from a very good career, right? These aren't just people that are doing it that live in someone, your mom's basement and they're trying to make a quick buck. No, these are all people from very well established careers that are doing very big things that I believe is going to absolutely change the game. Okay, so with that said, I don't even want to spend too much time with Good in the Hood because you guys know me. I cover it quite a bit here on this channel. Another play, guys, that I believe is going to end up being the face of Robinhood is Cash Cat, sitting at $200 million market cap right now, up 100%. I don't know if you guys saw, right? You guys know the base effect. Well, look at what happened. Base Cat got listed on Coinbase, right? What is this saying over here? Base Cat added to Coinbase listing, and look at the move that it did. Okay. From 8 million only up to like 36 million. Guys, it's only about a 4x, right? So it seems like the base effect is no longer in full swing, right? The Coinbase effect is no longer in full swing. And the craziest part is after Basecat got listed on Coinbase, right? That was on the 21st. You can see here that literally just a little bit after, 2 days after, we're seeing CashCat rip, right? So Coinbase's listing of CashCat Coinbase's listing of Basecat has indirectly affected the price of CashCat. Now we've seen CashCat rally because of it. And listen, guys, I'm going to be honest, Cash Cat to me is easily going to be the $1 billion meme coin of Robinhood, right? It's the first mover, it's the first one that gained traction. It was named Cash Cat prior to everything beginning. The origin story is there. There's a good narrative behind it. If you were able to gobble some up when it went to the lows of 40 million, W play for sure. But a lot of people feel like you missed the boat on this. I'll be the first to say you're only getting started. There's another one that I'm pretty bullish on, and that is What If. It looks like this one is slowly bleeding out as a lot of profits from What If has rolled into Good in the Hood. Again, long term, you're going to be okay. This is just a retracement that we're seeing. I do believe this thing could still rally. Now, Good in the Hood is kind of taking all the spotlight from a lot of people. You can see volume in the last 24 hours, 793 million. Whereas volume in for Good in the Hood, right, which I think did get listed on Coinbase as well. Let me just try to find it. Is basically like $1 million. And the liquidity for Good in the Hood is insane. $535,000 market cap, or sorry, liquidity. And you look at something like What If, which has a liquidity of 453. So lower market cap, but higher liquidity, which is very, very insane, guys. Not a lot of meme coin projects out there have $535,000 worth of liquidity, especially only at a $5 million market cap. So what I'm trying to get at is, look, you don't want to be like this guy, okay? The white whale, which, listen, I respect the Solana project. I've not made one transaction on Robinhood Chain, nor will I. I already have everything I need on Solana, and I'm not this just makes no sense. If you're allergic to money, you hate money, then just go for it, right? It makes no sense. You always want to get in to what's popping at the time, and let's look at the white whale, right? It did well for the time being, but you also need to be able to adapt and move on, right? So white whale is now at what? $1 million market cap. I mean, like, look at it, right? It's probably about time that you start moving over to Robinhood Chain if this is what the chart is looking like right now. You know what I mean? Not financial advice, of course. But yeah, Crypto Archie as well, very bullish YouTuber on What If as well as Good in the Hood. And I'm telling you guys, a lot of YouTubers are seeing the potential with Robinhood, guys. CEO Vlad Tenev says we are in the early innings of a global tokenization super cycle, one that he believes will eat the entire financial system. Now, even Trump coming out with apparent rumors to launch on Robinhood. These are just rumors, nothing confirmed. But in the case you miss, it's better to believe it might happen than to assume it won't. Monitoring social media and scanning the blockchain just costs a bit of time. So here are some sources. This time, besides monitoring the Trump family's X account, we also need to keep a close eye on their own Truth Social account under Trump Media. Now, genuinely, guys, keep a very close eye on this, because if he does launch some type of some meme coin or something again, it's going to go absolutely massive, right? It's going to go into the billions. And if you're able to at least ride that wave for a few days, for a few hours, for a few seconds, I believe it's going to be worthwhile. And if you want to be able to find those plays, join the inner circle. I'll see you guys inside of there. And again, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.